All right, we have three different heads that we're going to use here. We have your round head, the soft head. We have the stainless steel rounded flat head, and then we have the fork head. So depending on your sensitivity in the adductors, we're going to want to use, if you're really sensitive, use the round squishy head, and if you're medium sensitivity, I would use the flat stainless steel head with the rounded edges. And if you have a high pain threshold and you want to really thread the musculature and really get some deep release, you can use all three, of course. But if you have a higher pain threshold, I would use the fork attachment. Okay, so we're going to, I'll just demonstrate, might hopefully be able to see it a little bit better if I use the silver head attachment. So I'm going to lie in that position that I demonstrated with the skeleton and turn this on. And I'm going to put it at a speed of about 3. They're a large muscle group, so we're going to want at least a 3. Again, based off of your tolerance is what you're going to do. However, 3, it's a large muscle group, so we're going to want to be able to get in there and shake up that muscle. So you lie on your side. I'm going to kind of prop my head up like this, but what I would recommend is having a pillow here so that you can rest your head on it, or you can prop up here depending on how you feel about that. So here is the adductor group in here, just like this, just like I demonstrated with the skeleton. So you want to get up as close to that ischial tuberosity as you can right here, and just kind of hold it and let the weight of the gun kind of sink in on the adductor group right here. And you're going to go back and forth kind of in this positioning in here. You just kind of stay in this area for the next like 30 seconds or so. You kind of switch here, do these different positions in this area. Then I would hold the integrator by the end of the handle so that you can get down into this position. The leg doesn't need to be straight. In fact, it'll be a little bit better if the leg is actually slightly bent as you're doing this, and you just kind of let it balance here. And I'm just letting it hang out in any type of sore spot or I feel tight spot back in this area. So now we're reaching the two basically tendinous ends of that group of muscles. You don't have to be precise. That vibration will get in there and help relax the muscles. You can just kind of straighten the leg, bend the leg, kind of straighten the leg, bend the leg, or just let it hang out here like this. Now you go back, and then after you hang out there for 30 seconds up here, 30 seconds down here, or 30 seconds to a minute, you just go back and forth along the entire muscle belly for about another minute or two, and that will really open up those adductors.